Keeping your car clean can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to dealing with crumbs, dust, and pet hair. A reliable car vacuum cleaner can make this chore quick and easy. In this video, we'll review 5 of the best car vacuum cleaners on the market: DeWalt DXV08S, Hoover ONEPWR Cordless Handheld Vacuum, Eufy by Anker HomeVac H11, Makita XLC02ZB, and Stanley SL18115. Join us as we explore their features and help you find the perfect cleaning companion for your vehicle. Kicking off our list at number 1, DeWalt DXV08S. The DeWalt DXV08S is a powerful wet/dry vacuum designed to tackle tough messes in your car and beyond. With a robust 4.0 peak horsepower motor, this vacuum offers impressive suction power, making it perfect for both dry debris and liquid spills. Its durable construction and versatility make it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and car owners alike. Key features. One of the standout features of the DXV08S is its 8-gallon polypropylene tank, which provides ample capacity for cleaning larger areas without frequent emptying. The vacuum also includes a variety of attachments, such as a crevice tool and a utility nozzle, allowing you to reach tight spaces and clean various surfaces in your car. Its flat-top design also doubles as a storage space for tools and accessories, keeping everything organized. Benefits and usage. The DeWalt DXV08S is highly beneficial for those looking for a versatile vacuum. Its powerful suction makes quick work of dirt, debris, and spills, while the wet/dry capability means you can tackle both dry messes and liquid spills without switching devices. This vacuum is ideal for use in your car, garage, or workshop, providing the flexibility you need for different cleaning tasks. Usability. The usability of the DXV08S is enhanced by its built-in blower port, which allows for easy debris removal in hard-to-reach areas. The vacuum also features a 10-foot power cord, giving you plenty of reach for cleaning your entire vehicle without needing to constantly change outlets. Additionally, the ergonomic handle and large rear wheels make it easy to maneuver, ensuring a comfortable cleaning experience. Durability. When it comes to durability, the DeWalt DXV08S is built to last. The rugged construction and high-quality materials ensure that this vacuum can withstand the rigors of frequent use, whether you're cleaning your car or your workshop. Users have noted its resilience against wear and tear, making it a reliable option for years of effective cleaning. In the second spot, we have Hoover ONEPWR Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Hoover ONEPWR Cordless Handheld Vacuum is a compact and portable cleaning solution designed for quick cleanups in your car. With its lightweight design and cordless operation, this vacuum provides the convenience of cleaning without being tethered to a power outlet. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a popular choice among car owners. Key features. This vacuum features a strong suction capability powered by the ONEPWR battery system, which provides consistent performance for up to 30 minutes on a full charge. The vacuum comes with a crevice tool and a dusting brush, making it easy to clean tight spaces and delicate surfaces in your vehicle. Additionally, the transparent dirt container allows you to see when it's time to empty, ensuring efficient cleaning. Benefits and usage. The Hoover ONEPWR is incredibly beneficial for quick cleanups, especially for busy individuals who need an efficient way to maintain their car's cleanliness. Its cordless design allows for easy maneuverability, making it simple to reach every corner of your vehicle. Whether you need to remove pet hair, crumbs, or dirt, this handheld vacuum is perfect for tackling everyday messes. Usability. Usability is a highlight of the ONEPWR, thanks to its lightweight design and ergonomic handle. The vacuum is easy to carry and operate with one hand, allowing you to clean your car without hassle. The battery indicator lets you know how much power is left, so you can plan your cleaning sessions accordingly. Its compact size makes storage convenient, fitting easily in your car or home. Durability. The Hoover ONEPWR is built with quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance. Users report that even with regular use, the vacuum maintains its suction power and reliability. The removable and washable filter also contributes to its durability, allowing for easy maintenance and ensuring the vacuum remains effective over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Eufy by Anker HomeVac H11. The Eufy by Anker HomeVac H11 is a compact, cordless handheld vacuum designed specifically for quick cleanups and portability. With its sleek design and lightweight build, this vacuum is perfect for those who need a convenient solution for maintaining their car's interior. Its strong suction and ease of use make it a popular choice for car owners. Key features. One of the standout features of the HomeVac H11 is its powerful 5,500 pascal suction capability, which effectively captures dirt, dust, and debris. The vacuum comes with a crevice tool and a brush attachment, making it easy to clean various surfaces and reach tight spots. Additionally, its 2-in-1 design allows you to switch between the vacuum and blower function, adding versatility to your cleaning routine. Benefits and usage. The Eufy HomeVac H11 offers significant benefits for those looking for a lightweight and efficient cleaning solution. Its powerful suction makes it easy to pick up messes in your car, whether it's dirt from shoes or pet hair. With a runtime of up to 13 minutes on a full charge, this vacuum is ideal for quick cleanups and maintaining your vehicle's cleanliness between deep cleanings. Usability. Usability is a key feature of the HomeVac H11, as its compact design allows for easy handling and storage. Weighing just over 1.2 pounds, it's comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. The one-button operation simplifies the cleaning process, allowing you to start and stop the vacuum quickly. The included accessories can be stored on board, ensuring you have everything you need within reach. Durability. The Eufy HomeVac H11 is designed with durability in mind, featuring high-quality materials that can withstand everyday use. The vacuum's filter is washable, making maintenance easy and ensuring consistent performance over time. Users have reported that the vacuum holds up well, even after frequent use, making it a reliable addition to your cleaning arsenal. Taking our fourth spot is Makita XLC02ZB. The Makita XLC02ZB is a compact cordless vacuum cleaner that delivers powerful suction in a lightweight design. Ideal for both home and automotive use, this vacuum provides versatility and efficiency, making it a great choice for those seeking a reliable cleaning solution. Its simple yet effective design ensures you can tackle messes with ease. Key features. A key feature of the Makita XLC02ZB is its powerful 18V LXD battery system, which provides strong suction and extended runtime. The vacuum includes a crevice nozzle and a floor nozzle, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks, from tight corners to larger surfaces. Additionally, its easy-to-empty dust bag system ensures that you can quickly dispose of collected debris without mess. Benefits and usage. The Makita XLC02ZB is highly beneficial for those who need a portable vacuum for quick cleanups in their car or home. Its cordless operation allows for easy maneuverability, while the powerful suction ensures that dirt and debris are effectively removed. This vacuum is perfect for everyday messes, such as spilled snacks or dirt from shoes, making it a practical choice for busy individuals. Usability. Usability is a strong point of the XLC02ZB, as its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it comfortable to use for extended periods. The vacuum is easy to operate, with a simple on-off switch for quick access. Its compact size allows for convenient storage in your car or garage, ensuring that it's always within reach when you need it. Durability. The Makita XLC02ZB is built to last, featuring high-quality construction that can withstand regular use. The dust bag is designed for easy replacement, and the vacuum itself is resistant to wear and tear. Users have noted that even after frequent use, this vacuum continues to perform well, making it a solid investment for anyone seeking a durable and reliable cleaning tool. And finally, at number 5, we have Stanley SL18115. The Stanley SL18115 is a versatile wet/dry vacuum cleaner designed to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, including those in your car. With its powerful motor and robust design, this vacuum offers both suction and blowing capabilities, making it a practical choice for tackling messes both inside and outside your vehicle. Key features. A standout feature of the SL18115 is its 4.0 peak horsepower motor, which provides strong suction for effective cleaning. The vacuum includes multiple attachments, such as a crevice tool and a floor nozzle, allowing you to adapt your cleaning approach as needed. Its 18-gallon tank ensures you can clean larger areas without needing to empty frequently, making it ideal for extensive messes. Benefits and usage. The Stanley SL18115 offers numerous benefits for users looking for a reliable and versatile cleaning solution. Its wet/dry capability means you can effectively tackle both solid debris and liquid spills, making it perfect for car detailing. Whether you're cleaning up after a road trip or dealing with everyday dirt, this vacuum provides the power and capacity to get the job done efficiently. Usability. Usability is a key feature of the SL18115, as its large capacity and lightweight design make it easy to use and transport. The vacuum comes with a 10-foot power cord, providing ample reach for cleaning your entire car without needing to switch outlets. Its ergonomic handle and wheels ensure easy maneuverability, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. Durability. The Stanley SL18115 is designed for durability, featuring high-quality materials that withstand regular use. The vacuum's robust construction ensures it can handle tough cleaning jobs, whether at home or in your car. Users have reported that this vacuum maintains its suction power and reliability over time, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking for a long-lasting cleaning solution. In conclusion, maintaining a clean car is essential for comfort and hygiene, and having the right vacuum cleaner can make all the difference. From the powerful DeWalt DXV08S to the compact Eufy by Anker HomeVac H11, each of these vacuum cleaners offers unique features that cater to different needs and preferences. We hope this review helps you find the perfect vacuum to keep your vehicle spotless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful reviews and tips.